Tiny Rex loved adventures. But there was one thing he had never tried before. Swimming! Water felt cold and wiggly. Tiny Rex wasn't sure he wanted to jump in. Jump in, jump in. His friends showed him how easy it could be. Just kick your legs, they said. Tiny Rex tried his best. Splash! Oh no! He made the biggest mess ever! Tiny Rex wanted to quit. But his friends reminded him that learning takes time. Then suddenly, kick! Splash! Paddle. He was swimming! Tiny Rex discovered something important. Being brave means trying even when you're scared. And from that day on, Tiny Rex became the best swimmer in the whole jungle.